Entina no kakra bi ankampi yufo no esanya yie former member of parliament for Dominic PENYAH constituency honorable Adwoa Safo etuo ekasa ne just nkofuko bia no mukrokuo tuo koto hia tutu ne ka mutuo ema Ghana police for it make 6 arrest now almost at the press statement about concerning the incidents that happened here no now first no the Kristo Asafo mission church Ghana no almost at the press statement about concerning Adwoa Safo shooting incidents that cause and no that's some kind of cause Adwoa just an air trend on one side but you dwam amwate ase bia e free bar ene bia abeduru ne de ntia etuo nkra e cause no no ati bia se no akere wadwen e de amame e wo comment section ahi PENYAH block media mess wa say ni di mu obe like if you are my subscribe button and by click notification icon of latest update time akere wadwen de amame e wo comment section oba so a dash for enya bia hwe no kan fo nala money send up ene de ama wo USA wo UK obe yo send ska ediko fie e koma busia nala for say omodwene ho enti promo code no PENYAH TV never send ska eko fie na obe charge $20 as a bonus on pay na opede nala na obi ayi so be the yankwe let's go to the story man fan kwa chikakra it was on 11th September 2025 and by say Ghana ya de nyina Apostle Kristo Asafo kantanka sebe watoa nanano siedo ase watoa nanano siedo ema asem no ebeye daja on the internet Ghana for in fact edia bobo because kantanka de wo African star ase niema wo ye Ghana ha no ni Africa ha no no editwam eti ebas wo wunese Ghana ha no in fact breach kese boye home kese tu fa Ghana ha no ema oman no nyina etadi Kristo Asafo na areho abom na omo afra entuma na kantaka ewe na ho behia se ne ye be pene na musini o se ye be choose ni sasasa obi a obetra na kwanya so that obehwe na one waye eye hu ntotua ne hyehye ne bibia na two family related issues no wa address na efe bia muso no Kristo Asafo mission church no so wa hwe ayentotua bibia because now no the leader no ni ho no mo leader anyhow eti e was enya obi ema ne be taking care of all these things eja ho be yan say ne ye be choose leader enti leader na be choose no na abehye nipa mienu na ebi mu kire se yemfa eye Adwoa Safo kantanka na anase Adwoa Safo ye member of parliament for Dominic PENYAH constituency ono ana yemfa ne ntena kantanka akonwa so that is ne papa yemfa ne ntena ne papa akonwa so na onya ntotoye ne father ewuo achi eno da ensem no eye abusiafo the family no na present Adwoa Safo ana Kristo Asafo mission Ghana church no so ese dey bi yeso hwemu nipa to as no o safata eye nana Kristo Asafo that is akofna ono na ye church ne hwemu a ye de ehye ne nsa a obetimi ayantoto ye ene bia ede amantabusia wei ene go farmment once kese ede beto anuanom mienu ntam abusia ne Asafo no ene anuanom mienu entam ema asem in fact akodwetwa ho court nyina asem no e wo court ese ye born baba now you know over kaya it was on 13th October 2025 ni mu no ana ajagoraja ebe kan semwe ba no sunsumu Michelle Joseph for na dwubi o papa na ko yom the problem is oba ni ntimi take over ade no be ma na be fa but now de oba ni take over papa ni na chiga oba no eno de me na me ka kire sunsuma sama na no play ana masa repeat you me say papa de baba be fa de baba akwa Apostle kantanka baba be fa de baba akwa de nako kanu kure wasa sisu biem wadi na chija oba no itada me ka kire maame ma de nyina me friend me maame me friend ma de nyina friend me nyina ba on hwe na dua ne die mu yi kanu kure na berempom bia de kunya poison muda ho eye den na me musa Apostle Kristo Asafo to form a enso beto 3 days eye den ano so me no me ya trick eye den afa kwa do mo se obi se eye Google weather na me checking ye na say Google weather na check 4 years ago o se bi majimi me can 4 years ago ka se enso beto nyankonto beto to rough ye na esie property obi amadam baby papa property obi nyankonto na eto ano so me Google na ya lie na money weather na ye bebe ka se mi se wo mu solve problem nta wo se de all de boba me de to o de to bo ase se ye ko ye wo kroma se zero no ajakwata ebe ka so no hwe sunsumu wi ase ko hu mu a ade onim ne se eye Adwoa Safo ene te kantanka akonwa so kantanka akonwa na abeda mpan eye Adwoa Safo ene te Adwoa Safo ana spiritually no kantanka edi na chi eja no into ono no so otena akonwa no so na se wa hwe no hu Yesu a ye be na firi ho e mo kata to se akonya de kakantanka benya na ka ono na teso nanso honam ani no ye de be ma be ma na kofuna no saa won sa hwe hu ye na jagroja kan ye almost getting to a year no ebusi eno na no pay no anka fofia nto ata anka Ghana ye nti asem de MP4 sika enkomu nti asem de dome kwabenya enkomu nti asem de Adwoa Safo ene na program bi ebekoso ewo kantanka mission church Ghana no na so ye ho Kristo Asafo na program bekoso wo ho no ne as a successor na program no ekoso na no ana Adwoa Safo kantanka ana se Adwoa Safo eso bo anan eko ho no bie adopana bloggers mi posti se Adwoa Safo eko bebia ye install ne brother na Kristo Asafo no fast forward report esaba ye say there's been shooting incidents here ya tututuo ama Adwoa Safo kantanka na say Adwoa Safo ya tutu the car mutu in fact the can suffer so many rounds of bullets ama ono kwa etuo aka no I said we pra they said oyo ayarasabia eje ayarehwe man semu ebe trend on the internet na say obi aposti aye allegation say amonfo ebo ni bra panyin ne din ni bra ne din amonfo obo na Kristo Asafo ne edin na kan say ene eye Kristo Asafo ene pese oyi ni free ho no mo man na we abeye mere allegations and accusations on the internet na fast forward ana Ghana police for edit statement eba abontene na we ene semu a omo atwereye the Medina Divisional Command is investigating a shooting incident involving Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo at Kwabenya in the Accra region. Say the Medina Police Division honom omo ye hwemu efa etu to be akoso ewo Kwabenya je say enipa na owo mu na je say what suffer wound no eye Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo. Police for ye hwemu. Investigations indicate that on Sunday 21st June 2026 Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo sustained a gunshot injury to her left ear while visiting his late father's residence at Kwabenya. Now say, who just say, and now no pay, and that Sunday no pay no. Adwoa Safo all come baby, I don't papa tie no. And they say there was a shooting incident here. I can't so, the left ear no. It won't be a canason. She subsequently reported the incidents to the Kwabenya police and presented a vehicle bearing registration number GN 3482-24, which had visible gunshot damage. I say, Emma incident happen, the car na or team na suffer so many rounds of bullets, Omo the Kopium police station, honomo, Erico make a complaint. I say, Omo the Kofale, Omo a case. Remember, the police for the car registration by at a 24 number registered number plate. The victim has been issued with a police medical report form and is receiving medical attention. The vehicle has been retained for forensic examination while investigations continue to establish the circumstances surrounding the incident and identify all persons involved. And it's a police for Edin the early report statement about when confirm say I am correct. As Adwoa Safo ya tunu to enano pay abana oko baby ane father Apostle Kristo Asafo kantanka ewo Kwabenya baby na otie no oko ho no there's been a shooting incident na no program way and I call so ewo Kwabenya Kristo Asafo kantanka na so ye eho ananka Adwoa Safo eko no program way and call so
say they will grant them access.
Swaisha bosse. And then I did be on papa a year, the mura, Nassam, and she said, you are too. I saw you move tea in the yard and make a bit of now. Mrs. Samba put down. Meshem Mukina, I'm an ayatine. Shabo is trying to say you will. Say, I'm a kind now. Then my chief and it's now.
Nana Adwoa Safo was installed as a successor, and I said he was installed as overseer of the Kristo Asafo mission Ghana. He said, "Oh no, ne yaswen inti now." Ne say meaning say Kristo Asafo mission Ghana no ono ne overseer. Eti Asafo no asore no oda no administrative role ni bibia no ehye ne nsa. Ana technology ni nema nyi papa eja pade oye nyina na ye say na ono abehye ne nsa because oyo overseer dia wo na wo hwa ya ntutu bibia age no abehye ne nsa nti that program na se no ene na nka ne onuaba na ebe bia etuo we ekasa no. Eti police for the candidate that early report na eby. Eti police for yen hwemu no also ka say mo forensic investigation. Eti investigation we no wey any another statement omo edeba abontene. 6 arrested in connection with PENYAH shooting incident. The police watch Nipa 6. The Ghana Police Service has arrested 6 private security guards in connection with the shooting incidents involving Honorable Adwoa Safo, which occurred at PENYAH on 21st June 2020. Say, Nipa 6 bia omo private security guards. Nese ankrankra personal bodyguards. Nipa 6. Omo na say hwemu atu out course on omo involved. Na nipa 6 kwan hemfo a. Let's go into it. Subsequently, a research conducted has led to the retrieval of 5 pump action guns, 1 Tyrus pistol loaded with 7 rounds of 9mm ammunition, an additional magazine loaded with 5 rounds of 9mm ammunition, and communication equipment. Na say enema omo eji free da nipa 6 omo chi omo no ana omo je etuo ayete nya no bullet ehihemu ya load 9mm ammunitions ya load pa just say be awu. Investigation indicates that police personnel from the National Operation Directorate and the Intelligence Directorate who were on special duty received a distress call from a resident at PENYAH and proposed to the scene. Upon arrival, it was established that a ceremony was being held at the residence of Mr. Tamakulu Safo Johasafet alias Akofna when Honorable Adwoa Safo reportedly arrived and requested access to the premises but was denied. Next, omo chire mu say, "Dear ma dad we call nyina course no, omo hwemu a and the program be called so ewa Akofna on the premises." Now program no course no ana Adwoa Safo ya say ne on so obeba ho no bi but oyes oba no ana omo deny no access say omo ma no emewura ho no mo. Police investigation further revealed that armed security personnel at the residence allegedly discharged firearms during the incident, resulting in the injury to Honorable Adwoa Safo. Her vehicle was also found with multiple gunshot marks. Next, I just say, "Abra na Adwoa Safo person owura mu ho no mo personnel yes say ma nwura mani ada no e ho na just say bodyguards na omo entrance ho no mo say omo ma warning shot and warning shot no mo ma no they were firing the arms directly to Adwoa Safo the car, directly to the car. Just say assassination attempt. The suspect and exhibit has been transferred to the police headquarters to assist ongoing investigation. Investigation ongoing to locate and arrest all other persons connected to the incident. Police force investigation. Now after said program na air course ofie ho no nyina no ewie ye no ele we say Kristo Asafo no so no edit press release almost so abechire mu false allegations and incidents on church property on June. The leadership of Kristo Asafo Mission of Ghana wishes to address certain statements circulating on social media regarding an incident that occurred at the church property situated at PENYAH on 21st June 2020. Almost the bank and same be as a mediums go over answer na for case just ne brother no Nana Adwoa Safo no and just say abo ne man temper say minu abaduru amunku no and say kodo so omunku no omu the bank that and so omu say same be go over and seven no anya no cry force. After a lawful church event being held at the premises, Adwoa Safo arrived at the venue and forcibly drove her vehicle into the entrance gate of the property. That's almost what we say. Program ne question no. Adwoa Safo duru honom no ordinary car no straight just all the border they gate ni mu wura gate ni mu or the wura entrance one by force. Our verified information is that she struck her vehicle against two metallic gates, causing substantial damage to both structures. The car the border the metal gate ni mu she move bang top speed. Obedu was a two gate ni kwa wura mu. Am say gate ni ma car de kra kan. At the time of the incident, numerous worshippers and invited guests were present within the premises, including individuals seated in close proximity to the entrance. The actions described above created a serious risk to life and property. Had the gate completely collapsed or had the vehicle proceeded beyond the entrance, the safety of attendees could have been gravely endangered. So much I say, I didn't cause no. Senka say, onya access yeah. That's why the fans on the car bomb 2 metal gates ni mu bu bomb no. Ne nipa so wo ho no mo church members e wo ha program mo koso ya to nza fra ho omu dom abodom ho no mo. Enko bia de be si senka the car no otinya access ewura mu a obia ni denka ora be ho no obia ni ka ebesi e wo ho no mo. Security personnel on duty intervened to prevent further escalation and to protect persons gathered at the event. Just say, any partner poem so we are for more entrance on the mono. Na bear mu. Ever bread near massy heating and now just for heating day by honum. Na calming situation down so that we make my boy a drama nipa no more inside. Home my woman in a home by no be a huanka. Their actions were directed solely toward preserving public safety and preventing injury to attendees. So we just say, idea cause I want to two kasa. I say police for the say security guards into 220 at the other no. Kristo Asafo so say a two kasa ya. A two na kasa nyina was the interest of the attendees. Na ya de bo mu nyina ho ban. Ya mpese basa bia beto obi no inside won't no. Na ya de bo mu nyina ho ban. Has we have also become aware of unverified media reports made by certain individuals claiming that she was shot by her brother during the incident, with same Adwoa Safo demonstrating a purported victim presentation, an apparent attempt to create a false impression of having sustained a gunshot injury. That's also what I said. And some like cause say Adwoa Safo brother and I said the bodyguards and auto, Adwoa Safo etuo ama Adwoa Safo so no ekati impression say anye etu aka no ni tirim ko picture gba na ni tiru nyina sabi etuo aka na tiru nyina tutuo ana na so police for confirm in fact there were series or numbers of gunshots fired towards the car ni nyina evidence e ho no o mu kire say sansem no Adwoa Safo angas wa sheda etuo bi anka no etuo bi anka ni say te no onu ankasa na ekedi some impression bi amamfo ajade say etu aka ne to bi anka no etu say hwenka no. We categorically reject these allegations as false and misleading. To the best of our knowledge and based on information presently available to us, no such shooting occurred. Omu just say etu bianto etu bia he. There wasn't any shooting incidents. Debut na car no so na to bullet wo na mo small part say car no so bullet wo no but almost just say almost set record ni straight to pianto. We therefore call upon the relevant authorities to conduct a thorough and impartial investigation into all aspects of the incident. We further urge the public to refrain from drawing conclusions based on unverified social media reports and to allow law enforcement agencies to establish the fact through due process. Our organization remains committed to peace, truth, the rule of law, and the safety of all persons who attend our events. Let's say, where's the same one? Kristo Asafo Mission Ghana Church, so at the Abba. Omuche say, Etobianto, there wasn't any shooting incident. Etobian kasa na Adwoa Safo no and I said that a false narrative. Say etu ekasai. Just over so guni brand new was. Police force etu ekasai. Amomu ewo exhibit A and B. Adwoa Safo we pra any exhibit B. gunshot I fire towards the car, but as a friend said, it will be an ant. What is your take on this? Ubeto achire wa adwene e dia mame. E wo comment section. Hi PENYAH Block Media. Accra.